If you're investing in an IKEA mattress, you want it to last. In this video, we're sharing expert tips to keep your mattress comfy, clean, and durable for years to come. Let's dive in. 1. Regular cleaning and spot treatment. Keeping your mattress clean is essential for comfort and hygiene. Start by vacuuming it every 1 to 2 weeks to remove dust, dirt, and allergens. It's a quick task that makes a big difference in sleep quality. For stains, act fast. Grab a mild detergent solution and gently blot. Don't soak the fabric. Excess moisture can damage the mattress and lead to mold. Be extra careful with memory foam or hybrid models. Avoid harsh chemicals or too much water. This helps maintain the integrity of the material. Regular cleaning not only keeps your mattress fresh but also prevents dust mites and allergens, so it's especially helpful for those with allergies or sensitive skin. 2. Using a mattress protector. Want to keep your mattress like new? Invest in a mattress protector. These simple, affordable layers act as a barrier against spills, stains, and allergens. IKEA offers waterproof and hypoallergenic protectors, perfect for families with kids or pets. Plus, a protector means less frequent deep cleaning, as it keeps dirt from reaching your mattress. Not only does it extend the life of your mattress, but it also enhances comfort, keeping things fresh and cozy every night. When choosing one, think about what matters most to you: a waterproof layer for peace of mind, or a hypoallergenic barrier for sensitive sleepers. 3. Airing out the mattress. Airing out your mattress is one of the easiest ways to keep it fresh and prevent moisture buildup. Over time, moisture can seep into the mattress, which is a breeding ground for mold or mildew, especially in humid climates. To avoid this, make it a habit to air out your mattress every few months. Simply strip the bedding and let it breathe in a well-ventilated room. If you can, place it near a window or use a fan to circulate the air. This step helps eliminate moisture and keeps your mattress smelling fresh. Be sure to keep the mattress flat to avoid any distortion. 4. Flipping or rotating your mattress. Flipping or rotating your mattress is key to even wear and longer-lasting comfort. If your IKEA mattress is double-sided, flip it every few months to distribute pressure points. For single-sided models, rotating it head to toe every 6 to 12 months ensures uniform wear. This keeps the mattress from sagging in one spot and helps it maintain its shape. Whether it's flipping or rotating, this simple step can make a big difference in your mattress's durability. 5. Proper handling and storage. Handling your mattress with care is crucial, especially during moves or storage. Always lift, don't drag. Dragging it can damage the fabric and edges. If you're storing your mattress for a while, ensure it stays flat in a dry, cool place. Avoid folding or compressing it. Wrapping it in a breathable cover can also protect it from dust and dirt while keeping air circulating. By storing your mattress properly, you'll keep it in prime condition and ready for restful nights ahead. 6. Regular maintenance checks. To get the most out of your IKEA mattress, check for wear and tear every few months. Look for any sagging, lumps, or uneven areas. These can affect comfort and support. If you notice any damage like broken seams or zippers, it might be time for a replacement to avoid bigger issues later on. Small maintenance checks ensure your mattress is always supporting your sleep and health. It's worth a quick look to make sure everything's in top shape. By following these simple care tips, regular cleaning, using a mattress protector, airing it out, flipping or rotating, and proper handling, you'll keep your IKEA mattress comfy and long-lasting. Don't forget to subscribe for more.